Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how to edit photo in Nguyen province. This is very nice and unique pics. Having mods is very beautiful. To know how to take a good photo like this, please join my course on lighting. And now we will start editing the photo together. Okay, first I will open this photo. The first step, I will show you how to squeeze the dress so that it is very beautiful, but still retain it is natural. Choose Liquify and choose Warp Stone. You see the distortion, right? Just leave it. I will fix this later so that it is no longer distort. I switch it back to make it beautiful. Okay, after I have squeezed the beautiful dress, I click OK. Then I press I key. Let me restore this distort spot. Usually the clock, the place where it's mixed is will open red distort and I check it out. I'll take care of this. Before and after I have switched, it looked much more impressive, right? Okay, so after I finish working on the dress, I start working on this photo. The first photo is that sky has no sunset color. I will want to adjust it over the sunset to make it more impressive. And I will convert the image to warm tone. This is my favorite color tone. If you don't want to correct the color of the sunset, you can leave it as. This photo is just as beautiful now. At this place, I saw the stone were distorted, so let's recover it. Correct the color of the sunset. I will first go to color cast, subject the blue color. Remove the blue color. Enter sunset sky. Add yellow, red, shade. If not enough, I will multiply it by 2. Add another one in the corner here. Make it smaller. My picture is yellow switch. Next, I will add the sunset plus. Gives more yellow, gives more sunset. To add the sunset, I will see that spark is a bit too much. Now I will reduce it. Scan in. Let it be, but it's not hunt too much. Next, I will also add a little more warmth, so I show the FineArt. Color sunset warm. And I will reduce the opacity. Then these two steps, you will see that pictures is much warmer. Before, after, much warmer. Next, come the light from here. You see it brighter here, so I add the sun. This spark would also make a lot of sense. I add the rays. Zoom in. Then I will remove some border. Group it again. Before, after. Next I will do this red stress. This stress is a bit bright, so I want it dark. By the way, I will add color cast and show red. About 60%. Okay. And don't forget sweep this stress out of the skin. Substance face is not bright enough. Now I want the face to stand out more. I'll go to skin section or contrast section. I chose contrast. Hit contrast in the face. Then this is before, after. The face of the models is brighter. Next, in this background it's a bit bright. Now I will do the dark and burn. Group on this laser together. With just a few steps, I have a very impressive photo. Out dark and burn, out burn. Darken the entire bottom with the model glass. Light it from here over. So I'm going to find how to make it light here and dark here. So here it's going to be a little bit dark. Let it match the actual lighting. Before, after. This blues, I want it to stand out even more. I will choose color cast, add green. Here, the color is darker. Okay, now I'm going to block this photo. The way I chose is to add contrast. I will zoom in. Then where I scan, it will light up, and I will reprocess it. Reduce the parts where it's too bright. In the opacity, I keep hitting. Now I will lower the opacity. If I increase the opacity to 100, it's a big bright, isn't it? I reduce it about 60. I still hit blocks in some places as one. I will merge on this layer and continue choose dark lightly add to the area where I want to stand out. As for the clock, I will keep the screen far away like this. Make it easier for me to see the screen. If zoom in too much, we can see the detail of the parts I want to hit. Then continue to burn it down, darken it a bit. There are some places where I find it a bit bright. Before, after. You can see a lot more clock. Want it to pop up in more detail, then I'll add detail. I give a little more detail. Here I will see before after very sharp. Drop to about 50%. Before, after. Look at this photo again. With just a few steps, I have processed from the photo that sky is blue into a very beautiful and impressive sunset photo. My dress is also beautiful. Here the round you can be darken even more. It's up to you.